तथा बृहत्साम सामनाम. Similarly, am Brihatsam in the Samved. Gayatri aham Chandasam. I am Gayatri mantra among the verses of the Vedas. Masanam aham Margshirsha. Among the months, am Margshirsh. Kusumakara Ritunam. The spring season among the seasons. Tatha Brihatsam Samnam. Gayatri aham Chandasam. Masanam aham Margshirsha. Kusumakara Ritunam. Interpretation. Similarly, I am Brihatsam in the sweet Samved originated from Vivasvat, the sun. I am Gayatri mantra of the three female deities among the verses of the Vedas. Among the months, I am the month of Margshirsh of the full moon, that is the best guide like the head, and the spring season that always gives uniform happiness in the form of Shiv Baba, the evergreen hero actor among the seasons. Brihatsam means certain mantras of the Samved sung in the Brihati meter. Brihati is the name of a particular meter of 36 syllables. Gayatri mantra is a sacred verse from the Rigved. Margshirsh is the Hindu month corresponding to November-December.
जो गायत्री मंत्र है शीर्षक तो कन्याओं माताओं के नाम से है, गायत्री, गंगा, यमुना और सरस्वती त्रिवेणी के नाम से, लेकिन संबोधन जो है ये त्रिदेव को है.
Student, Baba, the title of the Gayatri mantra has the names of mothers and maidens like Gayatri, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, but it is addressed to the Tridev, that is the three deities.
तीन देव हैं तो उनके साथ तीन देवियां नहीं हैं.
Baba, if there are three male deities, aren't there three female deities with them?
और तीन देव अकेले कुछ कर पाएंगे बिना देवियों के?
Will three male deities be able to do anything alone without the female deities?
तीन देवताएं जो हैं वो देवियों को साथ न लेंगे तो स्वर्ग में का काम पूरा कर स्वर्ग स्थापन होगा.
If the three male deities don't take three female deities along with them, will paradise be established?
है?
जो श्लोक दिया हुआ ना उसमें तो देवियों के नाम तो है नहीं. ओम
किसमें?
कहा गया है ना.
हाँ. तो काम पूरा किसने किया?
Student, but in the hymn Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tatsya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat, there are no names of the female deities. Who completed the work?
देवताओं ने काम पूरा किया या देवियों ने पूरा किया? है?
Did the male deities complete the work or did the female deities complete it?
अरे श्लोक में वो तो बोलने की बात है.
Student, but the name of male deities is there in the shlok. Although it is there in the shlok, it is just about saying.
लेकिन जब करने की बात आई तो करने का काम प्योरिटी करेगी.
But when the question of doing the work arose, will purity do the work?
या देवता का वो जो देवता पुरुष रूप में है वो करेंगे. पुरुष तो सारे ही दुर्योधन तो शासन बता दिए.
Or will the deities in male form do it? Student, purity will do it. All the males are said to be Duryodhan and Dushasan.
वो देवता बन ही नहीं पाएंगे.
They won't be able to become deities at all.
इसलिए तीन देवियों का नाम पहले रख दिया.
Therefore, the name of three female deities is put in front.
गायत्री, जिन तीन का गायन है वो.
Gayatri means the three devis who are praised.
बाबा को कहा जाता है रूप भी है बसंत भी है.
It is said for Baba that he is Roop as well as Basant.
क्या?
What?
दोनों कैसे?
How is he both?
बाबा.
Baba.
कौन बाबा?
Which Baba?
बिंदी बाबा.
The Point Baba.
बिंदी बाबा नहीं.
Not the Point Baba.
निराकार साकार का मेल है बाबा.
Student, incorporeal so corporeal. The combination of the incorporeal one and the corporeal one is Baba.
उसको कहा जाता है वो रूप भी है बसंत भी है.
It is said for him that he is Roop as well as Basant.
बसंत कैसे?
How is he Basant? That is the spring season.
हैं? बसंत ऋतु में खुशबुएं आती है ना फूलों की.
In the spring season, we get to smell the fragrance of flowers, don't we?
तो वो बसंत भी है.
So, he is Basant as well.
सर्व गुणों की खान है.
He is the treasury of all the virtues.